The era of needing a massive budget or a 6-month roadmap just to start making money with an app is officially over. Right now, there are entrepreneurs and designers launching entire businesses in a weekend because they've stopped struggling with complex setups and started vibe coding. I'm currently using the Replit app to build a production-ready business from scratch using nothing but natural language. I'm going to show you how to take a simple idea and turn it into a revenue-generating reality. I'm currently building a custom premium service that automates workflows for local businesses. Instead of manual setup, I just describe exactly how I want the app to look and function to the Replit agent. I told it to build a sleek, secure client portal where users can sign in and manage their data. Replit handles everything behind the scenes. It sets up the database, the auth, and the deployment automatically. It's taking the building part out of the way so I can focus entirely on the business part. What really changes the game are connectors. Usually, connecting your app to third-party data like Dropbox or Google is a nightmare. But on Replit, I just sign into the service I need and it's connected instantly. For this business, I'm using the Dropbox connector to let my clients sync their files directly to the app without me ever having to manage a single API key. To set this up, I just click the plus icon on the tab bar, go to the Integrations tab, and select the Connectors option to link my Dropbox account. It makes the app feel professional and high-end, even though I built it just by talking to the platform in plain English. Now I can test the app by creating a new record, and seeing everything insert into the database automatically is just amazing. The best part is that I'm doing all of this on the go. Replit is the only vibe coding platform with a full mobile app on Apple and Android, so I can update my business features or check my dashboard while I'm out at lunch. Whether you are a designer, a product manager, or an entrepreneur, you no longer have to wait for anyone else to start your journey. You describe the idea, and the Replit agent builds it for you. It is time to turn your ideas into a real revenue stream. I have put a unique link in my bio or the description below. If you sign up and upgrade to Replit Core using that link, you will get $10 in Replit credits to help launch your first project. And I'll get $10 too. Stop thinking about the technical hurdles and start building your business today.